So this is the Grinders Death Nectar hot sauce that my brother got me for my birthday. 337,000 Scoville. And we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how this is. I haven't eaten much hot stuff, but I've watched a lot of people do it on YouTube. What do you think? More than this?
Maybe. I don't know. Just do one. Yeah.
I'll kind of like smear it on there a little bit. Get a little bit off of there. I'll eat that one too, though. Oh god, it smells so hot, and this wing is like really hot still. Maybe I should have done that. Woo! They're like heat hot still. I'm getting too excited. I should let it cool off. Woo!
It's just pre-game warm-up. That's all it is.
It's pretty hot. I feel like I'm... Thanks for this hot sauce, Zach. If anybody wants to try it, I got Grinders Death Nectar sauce. I can't even form words right now. My mouth is like stuck open. I kind of want to say it's not the hottest thing I ever ate, but as soon as I say that,
Yeah.
my mouth gets full of spit. He thinks this is funny. This is what you get me for a present?
Happy birthday, kid.
You knew I was going to do this to myself.
I didn't want to do it again, so.
Man, where'd you eat this stuff?
I went to the Houston Hot Sauce Festival 2015.
Woo!
It was awesome. Go check it out. They didn't have it this year, but me and Kevin's going to go in 2017. It's going to be fun. A lot of good stuff there.
There's stuff hotter than this?
Yeah.
There's stuff that's a lot hotter than
There's
this.
stuff that's a lot hotter. Well, actually, that was voted the hottest hot sauce in the nation, but not all products are entered into the competition, though. There's stuff that is hotter, but what was entered, that's been like for like 3 or 4 years in a row. That's been the hottest stuff there is.
Why didn't you tell me that before I ate it?
I didn't think about it till just now.
It's getting better, I think. I'm not eating the other one.